Hey, it's Kat here, and today I'm going to show you how to do this type of ribbing effect but with your crochet hook. So I'm making a cardigan at the moment. This is one of the sleeves, and I'm going to show you how to do the ribbing from scratch. First of all, you're going to slip knot. So you're going to start with your slip knot, and you can use any yarn that you like and corresponding hook. I actually have super chunky paint box yarn here and a 6mm crochet hook. Then you can chain as many as you like. I'm going to chain 20 so we can see the effect. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now what we're going to do in the second chain from the hook is we're going to single crochet. So we're just going to pop our hook in this one, yarn over, fill up a loop, and then pull through 2. Go in, fill up a loop, pull through, and do that all the way along. So you're going to do 19 single crochets all the way along. So that's your last chain. So then you should have something that looks like this. So you have a chain and then you've done 19 single crochets. And now you're just going to chain 1 and turn. And here's where the magic starts. This is where your ribbing is going to come into effect. So instead of going in to this stitch here, we're going to be going into the third loop. So we've got the V on top, which is front loop, back loop, and then we have one underneath, which is called the third loop, which is this one here. And that's the one you're going to be going into. So we're going to do a single crochet in this third loop. So it can be a little bit tricky. So you go up, yarn over, pull through, you have 2 loops on your hook, and then pull through again. And you're going to do that across every stitch. So every third loop you're going to go up with your crochet hook, yarn over, pull through, you have 2 on your hook, and then you want to pull through those 2. Should be 19 stitches. This is really good if you are doing any collars or cuffs, or just if you want a ribbed effect on a jumper or a cardigan. So you should have something that looks like this, and then when you get to the end, you have this kind of like little one here that's kind of poking up or pointing out. This is the loop that you want to go through, the last loop. So we're going to go through there, pull up again, and then pull across. And then you can chain one and turn, and this is the big reveal. Woo! Got a nice ribbing there. How pretty! And then all you want to do is literally just go along exactly the same as you did before, and it should work out that you have 19 stitches in each row. So this is the first third loop you're going to go into, just like you did before. It's really nice and pretty. If you notice, I'm using my index finger to kind of pull these down because they're a little bit tighter than the other loops, but it is worth it. Let me know in the comments, if you are doing this rib stitch, what item are you making? What is your work in progress at the moment? I would love to know, and I'd love to know if you're using this stitch, because I think this is really a lovely stitch to use. So at the end of this one, this is the third loop here. Okay, so you're going to go in, and then try to make this as tight as you can, like the end stitch. Just make it nice and neat, no holes. So you finish that off nicely, and then you're going to chain and then turn again, and it will just carry on because it will pick up the stitches in the next row, and then you're going to have some nice ribbing just like you see here. So if you'd like to see me making the rest of this cardigan, then I also have all of this which I will make, and I'm so excited to do that. If you want to see this cardigan finished, then don't hesitate to watch this video in which I show you exactly how to do the whole thing. And if you did get value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I bring out new videos all the time, and I would love to see you in the next one. I'll see you there.